In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subdomain in Cloudflare free. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make in the Cloudflare dashboard and explain what each field means so you know you've set it up correctly the first time. First, head to the Cloudflare dashboard and sign in. From the main area, open the section labeled Domains. This is where all the domains in your account are listed. Select the domain where you want to create the new subdomain. For example, if you want blogyourdomain.com, you choose yourdomain.com here. Inside that domain, go to the DNS area. This is where your DNS records live, and it's the place you'll add the new entry for your subdomain. Once you're in DNS, make sure you're looking at the records view. You'll see a list of existing records and a button to add a new one. Click Add Record. For the record type, choose A. An A record maps a host name to an IP address, which is perfect if your subdomain should point to a specific server. If later you ever need IPv6 or want to point to another host name, that's when you'd consider other record types, but for now we'll use A. In the name field, type the subdomain label only. So to create blogyourdomain.com, you would type blog. Avoid entering the full domain here. Cloudflare automatically completes it for you. If you need a nested subdomain like app.eu, you would enter app.eu as the name. Next, enter the IPv4 address. This is the public IP address of the server or hosting where your subdomain should resolve. You can usually find it in your hosting control panel or in the server details from your provider. Be sure it's a public IP, not a local or private one, and double check the digits to prevent routing issues. You'll see an optional comment box. Use this to leave yourself a note, like the purpose of the subdomain or the server it points to. Comments don't affect how the record works, but they make future troubleshooting easier. Now click Save. Your new A record will appear in the list. If you notice the proxy cloud icon next to the record, that controls whether Cloudflare proxies traffic for performance and security or simply serves DNS. Choose the mode that fits your use case before or after saving. That's it. Give DNS a few minutes to propagate. In many cases, it's nearly instant, but it can take a bit longer depending on caches. Once updated, visiting your subdomain in a browser should reach the server you specified. You've successfully added a subdomain in Cloudflare on the free plan.